What if I told you that the deepest secrets of the ocean's most magnificent giants aren't hidden in some cutting-edge sensor array, but in something, well, gross? Get ready for a revelation that will utterly transform how you think about marine biology. Because we're about to unlock a century of whale history, not with satellites, but with their earwax. Yes, earwax, an unparalleled biological time capsule. But how did we even begin to suspect such a thing was possible? It starts with an event you'd never connect to whales, 9/11. Remember 2001? The world paused. Shipping activity plummeted. And in that unforeseen silence, scientists found something astonishing. North Atlantic right whale fecal samples, collected during this period, revealed significantly lower stress hormone levels. This wasn't just a fascinating anomaly, it was a jaw-dropping, undeniable correlation. Less underwater noise, dramatically reduced cetacean stress. We literally saw these giants exhale a collective sigh of relief. It proved, beyond a doubt, that human activity was impacting their emotional world. So, if we can see their stress in their poop, how do we keep listening to these elusive creatures? Enter the SnotBot drone, a piece of pure genius straight out of a sci-fi movie. These incredible, non-contact drones fly above whales, collecting their snot. It sounds wild, right? But this isn't for some bizarre prank. The snot holds vital clues: hormones, diet analysis, all delivered without even touching the animal. It's a game changer, offering a critical, non-invasive way to assess whale health, especially for those colossal marine mammals that are impossible to get close to. We're not chasing them anymore. Their biological secrets are being airdropped to us. And this brings us back to the ultimate, mind-bending detail: whale earwax. This isn't just gross, it's a colossal chemical biography. Believe it or not, baleen whales, despite lacking external ear openings today, retained ancestral ear canals from their land-dwelling past. And inside those canals, they produce waxy plugs. These aren't just random formations, they're layered. Each layer, a chronological record. A stunning historical document that captures not only pollutants and age, but, and this is the kicker, the fluctuations of stress hormones across decades. Imagine a single earwax plug, no bigger than your thumb, holding over a century of a whale's life story. Scientists analyzing these plugs can literally track the unseen impacts of industrial whaling eras, witness the silent struggles of whales surviving the chaos of world wars, and grapple with the contemporary challenges of climate change. It's an unparalleled biological reconstruction, laying bare the profound, often silent, responses of these ocean titans throughout human history. Every layer, a chapter. Every chemical signature, a headline. These cumulative analyses, from the unexpected insights of fecal samples after a global event, to the high-tech precision of snot-collecting drones, to the incredible historical tapestry woven in earwax, are so much more than scientific curiosities. They are absolutely critical tools. They are how we truly understand whale health and their profound, often silent, responses to environmental stressors. The ocean's giants are speaking, and science is finally learning how to listen, even to their deepest, waxy secrets. And now, you can't unhear it.